Good evening. Our
Imagine
top story,
waking up
the
tomorrow
AI job crisis in America.
and checking
New
your
data
phone,
shows a sharp decline in manufacturing
only to see a
jobs.
notification from your
Can
company.
you optimize this?
Position
Analyzing. I
terminated.
suggest a merge here.
Automated
Good.
system
Proceed.
implemented.
Optimization complete.
No warning. No meeting. No second chance. Just a quiet replacement. Not by another human, but by a machine. Right now, while you're watching this video, artificial intelligence is learning faster than any human in history. It's learning how to drive trucks across American highways. It's learning how to analyze medical reports better than doctors. It's learning how to write code, design graphics, answer customer calls, and even argue legal cases. And here's the truth most people don't want to hear. This isn't the future. This is happening now. By 2035, multiple economic reports suggest that up to 50% of current jobs in the
thank
United
you.
States
You
could
are
be
welcome.
automated.
Enjoy your coffee.
That
will.
means
It
one
looks
out of
perfect.
every
Thank
two
you.
workers may need to completely reinvent their career. Think about that for a second. Every second person you know could be
How's
replaced.
the API integration?
Truck
Almost done.
drivers,
Just debugging now.
autonomous vehicles are already being tested in Texas and California. Warehouse workers, robotic systems now move faster
yes,
than
I'd like to check
humans
my
without
balance.
breaks.
Certainly. Please confirm
Cashiers,
your identity.
self-checkout
Of course.
machines are
Here you go.
everywhere. Even
you. Have a nice
writers,
day.
designers, and programmers are feeling the pressure of AI tools that can produce results in seconds. But here, where things get interesting. Whenever technology
A1,
destroys
Sector
jobs,
7 shows unusual
it also
activity.
creates new
Confirm.
ones.
Deploying countermeasures now.
When cars
Keep
replaced
monitoring.
horses, blacksmith jobs disappeared. But mechanics were born. When the internet replaced physical stores, many retail jobs vanished. But digital marketing exploded. The real question is whether AI will replace jobs. The real question is, who adapts and who does? Let's imagine two Americans in 2035. John is a 45-year-old truck driver. He's been driving for 20 years. He believes experience matters. But his company transitions to autonomous trucks. Suddenly, his skills are no longer rare. He struggles. Now meet Sarah. Sarah also
How's the
sees
API
automation
integration?
coming.
Almost done. Just
But instead of
debugging now.
ignoring it, she learns how AI logistics
Whoa,
systems
look
work.
at that.
It's scanning.
She takes online
This
courses.
is next level tech.
She studies data systems.
Alert confirmed. It's escalating.
She becomes a
On
fleet
it. Rerouting
automation
now.
supervisor.
Good. Monitor global impact.
Same country. Same technology. Different mindset. One replaced. One promoted. AI will not destroy America, but it will divide it. There will be
Analysis
two groups.
complete. Key patterns identified.
Those who
Overlay the
understand
sector data.
AI,
Flagging anomalies in the grid.
and those who
Confirmed.
fear it.
Syncing now.
Here, what AI is really good at. Repetition. Data analysis.
Oh, thank
Pattern
you.
recognition.
You are welcome. Enjoy your
Speed.
coffee.
I will. It
Here,
looks perfect.
what humans
you.
are still better at. Creativity. Emotional intelligence. Leadership. Strategic thinking. If your job is purely repetitive, it's at risk. If your job requires human trust and creativity, you're safer. But even safe doesn't mean secure. Doctors now use AI to diagnose faster. Lawyers use AI to review contracts. Architects use AI to design buildings. AI is not replacing professionals. It's becoming their assistant. And the professionals who learn how to
There it
use
goes.
AI will
Smooth
dominate
as
the
silk.
market.
Not bad.
In
Not bad
fact,
at all.
the highest paid workers in 2035 won't be those who compete against AI. They'll be the ones who control it. Think about cybersecurity. As AI grows, digital threats grow. That means cybersecurity experts become more valuable. AI system trainers, prompt engineers, data ethicists, robotics maintenance specialists. These jobs barely existed 10 years ago. They will explode in the next decade.
Display case
But
precedents
there's a
for Alpha
darker
Protocol.
side.
Precedents displayed.
What happens if
Referencing
millions
Good. Now
lose
simulate the
jobs at the
evidence
same
chain.
time? Unemployment rises. Government pressure increases. Economic gaps widen. Some experts predict universal basic income could become reality. Imagine a system where Americans receive a base salary from the government because machines do most work. Sounds futuristic. So did smartphones in 1995. But here's the twist nobody talks about. AI might not just change jobs. It might change identity. For decades, Americans defined themselves by career. What do? I'm a driver. I'm a cashier. I'm a programmer. But what happens when machines do those tasks better? People will have to redefine value.
This is serious. We need to talk.
Maybe
What
creativity
does it
becomes
mean for
currency.
us? Is everything going to
Maybe
change?
personal
What is it?
brands matter more than resumes. Maybe entrepreneurship becomes the new job security. The biggest risk isn't unemployment. It's refusing to evolve. Because history shows something powerful. Technology does not wait. Those who adapt early win big. Those who ignore change fall behind. So what should you actually do? First, understand AI. Not fear it. Second, build skills AI cannot
Your
easily
Honor, we have
replace.
evidence that will change the outcome.
Communication.
Proceed, Counselor.
Data analysis confirms
Critical
95%
thinking.
probability of error in prior findings.
Your Honor,
Leadership.
the prosecution has not proven
Creativity.
intent. The robot's actions were deliberate
Third,
and caused
learn how to
harm.
use AI
Counselors,
as a
present
tool.
your evidence.
If you're a student, start now. If you're mid-career, upskill now. If you're already in tech, specialize
Whoa,
deeper.
look at that.
It's
2035
Incredible.
is closer
This
than
is
you
next
think.
level tech.
And here's the most important truth of this entire video. AI is not your enemy. Complacency is. The Americans who thrive in the next decade won't be the strongest. They won't be the smartest. They will be the most adaptable. So when the automation wave hits,
Alert confirmed.
Will
It's
you
escalating.
panic?
On it. Rerouting
Or
now.
will you
Good.
pivot?
Monitor global impact.
because the future is not about humans versus machines. It's about humans with machines versus humans without them. And that choice starts today. Before you leave, let me ask you something. If AI really replaces half of America's jobs by 2035, do you know exactly where you'll stand? Because in the next video, I'm going to break down the exact 10 careers that will explode in value because of AI.
What are the projections for
Not
next quarter?
guesses,
They are favorable
Not
with
hype,
a 15% increase.
but real
Excellent.
opportunities that smart
Analysis
people
complete.
are
Key
already
patterns
preparing
identified.
for.
Overlay the sector data.
And one of
Flagging
them
anomalies in the
requires
grid.
zero
Confirmed.
college
Syncing now.
degree. Most people will ignore this shift. Most people will panic when it's too late. But a small percentage will prepare early.
Human work, not algorithms.
And they will dominate the next decade.
Stop the bots!
The difference between those two groups. Information at the right time. So, if you don't want to be surprised by the future, make sure you're here before everyone else figures it out. Because the
Show
AI
me the data
revolution
flow.
isn't slowing down.
Now, optimize the
It's
neural net.
accelerating.
Good. Save this
And on this
configuration.
channel,
the AI integration looks
we
solid.
don't just watch the
Agreed.
future
The projections
happen.
are impressive. Let's
We
review the
prepare for
timeline.
it.
Q3 rollout is ideal.
I'll see you in the next one.